This is not a test. This is rock and roll.
Here's a story you all know. It's about a guy called Hobo Joe. Being a mod just wasn't enough. He loved Chad bad and sleeping rough. Rhode Island's where he sips that cup, but after Nam he's real messed up. One more tour, one last show in the truck. Lucky, we've got to go. Hobo Joe, Hobo Joe, why did you have to run Chad over though? Hobo Joe, Hobo Joe, 7 days and you haven't changed your clothes. So he took in a trip, left his home. 18 hours he did wrong, drinking coffee along the way, killing people on rollerblades, always sleeping everywhere, over there and over here, in the way of everyone. Chad got a hole in one. Hobo Joe, why did you have to run Chad over though? Hobo Joe, 7 days and you haven't changed your clothes. Keeping everything you find, there's no doubt in my mind. Creeping round after dark, Fina saw you and gave a bark. Time to go, Joe. Chad's gone mad. Good dad, bad dad. Chad bad, sad like a magpie when something's free, but you're meant to be there to help tidy. Hobo Joe, why did you have to run Chad over though? Hobo Joe, 7 days and you haven't changed your clothes. Hobo Joe, why did you have to run Chad over though? Hobo Joe, 7 days and you haven't changed your clothes.
I got something going on with my side, my back. It's driving me nuts.
It's driving me nuts.
Can't even sleep at night. Keep me up. I'm telling you, sore. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for coming back. I really appreciate it. I got a sore kidney or something. What am I thinking? I'm not sure, but I gotta get it fixed up.
We're gonna sign off and go call the doctor.
All right, see you later. Doctor, I need some help.